everyone and welcome to CobraTransmission.com. Today we're going to talk about the shifter assembly for the Getrag 290 and the NV1500 and NV3500. There are 4 common shifter assemblies, 3 for Chevrolet and 1 for Dodge. The S10 has its own shifter assembly, which is not in this video. The other 2 for the Chevy is the 404625 and the 404625B as in Baker. The easiest way to identify them is put them flat on a table, and if one rocks, that's the 404625B, and the other one stays flat and doesn't rock, it's the 404625. The one for the Dodge is 404625D as in David, D as in Dodge. It's the only one with a square shaft with a notch on the top. If you have any questions, please contact us at www.cobratransmission.com.